Hi, I'm Eric Brooks, brand specialist with Alpine Electronics. I'm here today with Chris Revis, also a brand specialist with Alpine, and we're here at the 2019 CES in Las Vegas, and we're talking about a fantastic technology from Alpine called Dynamic Peak Power, also known as DPP. Chris, can you explain to us a little bit about what DPP does?
Yes, DPP is going to allow us to get big amplifier sound in a small package. What's going to allow music to do is play the way it's supposed to be heard. We're going to go beyond what traditional amplifier technology reproduces in music and give you that little extra when it comes to those loud dynamic bursts.
Great, great. So I see here in our demo here we have the KTA-450, which is really the industry leader in small amplifiers. And what this really did for us was give us the capability of putting this amp in very small applications, so it was inside the dash or in just hard to fit places, right? So DPP, I guess with this KTA, it really kind of expands that capability and the sound output that you can get, right?
Yes, it sure does. As you notice, we kept the smaller chassis size, so it's still available to get in those tighter installation areas. As you might have seen earlier on the 650, it actually has the bracket to dock it right onto the back, so it's a nice, easy installation to give a customer that good sound.
Right, and I see here we have kind of a really unique display here.
Yes,
can you talk about what's going on here?
So we have this oscilloscope hooked up to these amplifiers here, and what you're looking at is the signal output of these amplifiers. Right now we got a good clean signal coming out of there. Once the volume is maxed out, you can see we're getting some clipping here with traditional amplifier technology. Once again, it's going to cause speakers to start popping, it's going to have that really bad sound. With the DPP, it's going to allow it to actually get above where the original rating is and keep it a nice clean sound. So your cymbals sound like cymbals, it's nice punchy mid bass, as you can see we're actually going above that 45 and we're peaking out at 100 watts.
Right, so you have a 50 watt rated amplifier with DPP rating of 100 watts.
That's right.
So we get a lot of great sound in a very small package.
Sure do.
That's fantastic. So there you have it, folks. We're talking about dynamic peak power here at the 2019 CES show. Thank you so much, Chris.
Anytime.
We'll see you guys soon.